Can digital tools enhance the personal factor in constructive learning? The learning hasn't changed. It still exists inside of the learner's brain, building each day in a construction of experiences, knowledge, and social language. However, the tools and environments are shifting all the time. What do we do with that? John Dewey had something to say about that back in 1940.
The world is moving at a tremendous rate. No one knows where. We must prepare our children not for the world of the past, not for our world, but for their world.
With Padlet, you can create a virtual classroom. All you do is create the Padlet, set your background, and start plugging in all the tools you want students to have. Today's learning is a negotiation between learner and mentor. Teachers can be mentors, guiding students on their own learning path, and Padlet can help. Have you ever felt like this in today's learning? Have you ever felt like this? The one-size-fits-all approach often leaves learners feeling confined, but with Padlet, creating your own learning environment is easier than ever. Students simply remake, copy your posts, and create their own environment, setting their background the way they want it, creating their own digital learning classroom. John Hattie found through his studies that feedback is a powerful tool in moving students forward. With Padlet, you can create a dashboard to communicate with all of your students in one place. Understanding learning today certainly isn't easy, but with Padlet, it's getting easier than ever.